Hi, hello. Welcome to DIT Info. We all know about Chrome browser. Google Chrome is a cross-platform web browser developed by Google. Similarly, Microsoft Edge is a proprietary, cross-platform web browser created by Microsoft. Let's find out the entire features of Edge in an upcoming video. In this video, I will show you a small useful setting which will help you to look your Edge organized. Open your Microsoft Edge browser. Now you can see Sidebar in your Edge browser. Edge's Sidebar comes with a variety of tools in addition to the AI-powered chatbot and image generator Microsoft recently added. You can also use the sidebar to quickly pull up emails, open Microsoft Office, play games, and access the pinned sites of your choice. If you don't want this sidebar, then here is the steps to remove this sidebar. Open Run, then type regedit. Then follow the steps. Select HKY_local_machine. Then select Software. In Software, select Policies. Then select Microsoft. Click Microsoft. Then create new key. Change the name as Edge. After creating folder, in right side, right-click and then create new key. Select word 32-bit value. Replace the name as Hub's sidebar enabled. This helps to enable and disable the sidebar of Microsoft Edge. Want remove sidebar for Microsoft Edge? Set the value 0 for created file. Now close your Microsoft Edge browser and open it again. So here we are removed the sidebar of your Microsoft Edge browser. If you want this sidebar tool, then same procedure, we already registry done. So we need to change the value of file, that is it. Just set the value as 1. Then close browser and reopen. Yes, now we added sidebar to Microsoft Edge browser. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. We'll see in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.